Okay? So the first group who will do their reporting will be group 2, which is the group of Leonard and Jared. Danstan is actually included in your group, pero the primary reporter is Kuya Leonard. Next. Okay. So the second reporter will be coming from group 3. So
Gian, sinachat kita, Gian. Di mo pa
the group of Yuri and Reynald, and the primary reporter is Kuya Yuri. And then our last group to present will be group 1, the group of Ayana, Kadesh, and Gian. And the primary reporter is Kuya Gian. Okay, so let's start with group number 2. Again, Leonard, please open your camera so that we can see you while you do your report.
Sir, sinisan ko pa lang po yung sinusulat ko po kay kay Leonard.
So Jared, you can help, pero most of the reporting or the sharing will be coming from Leonard. So again, what you will be sharing is the information kung ano yung napag-usapan ninyo during your breakout room on which organelles you think are found in an animal cell and which organelles you think are found in a plant cell. So yun lang. You will just mention the names of the organelles. Okay. So we are ready whenever you are ready, group 2.
Sir, sorry na po kung onte lang po sinulat ko po.
It's fine. It's what you will be reporting. So let's start with group 2. Mga ate and kuya, hindi importante kung sino ang nagsulat kasi pinag-usapan yung dalawa. So kung pinag-usapan yung dalawa, dapat natatandaan nyo pa rin ngayon kung ano yung napag-usapan nyo. Ganun na ba kahirap ang memory gap ninyo na after a few minutes, you already forgot what you talked about? You discussed in your meeting room. So even if you don't write it, you should be able to remember it. It was just a few minutes ago. I'm not asking for a written work. I'm asking you to report it. No, Leonard, I want you. Start, group number 2. Leonard, start.
Selyo. Senaryo. Sir?
Continue, kuya. Dire-diretso.
Senaryo. Cell and
Leonard, open mo nga muna yung camera mo for the 4th time. Open your camera. Do not close it. Now, start reporting.
sir, sa plant cell ay
Di ka pa tapos sa
Cell.
animal cell, kuya. Animal cells muna.
sir, sa animal cell senaryo cell and Sams. And Chi Chido Chilo Ro plus and cell sen trial and val
Okay, continue. Are you done with the animal cell?
yes, sir.
Okay, continue with the plant cell.
Hmm?
Continue with the plant cell. Is Jared back from the CR, from the bathroom break? Jared, are you here? Wala pa. Sige. Group 2, I will go back to you. Let's continue with group number 3. Yuri, are you ready? Open your camera and start your report.
Sure, I'm sorry if konti lang yung nasulat ko, sir, kasi we didn't have time to think something about the
10
organelles of animal cell and plant cell.
10 minutes is not enough?
No, ma'am.
No. So, it should be complete. You are only identifying the animal cells and the plant cells. Start.
About the animal cell, it has cell membrane.
Okay.
The animal cell has only one membrane, which is called the cell membrane. In the plant cell, vacuole in the plant cell needs only to be stored with water.
Yeah,
It
wait
doesn't need to be
lang.
stored.
Yeah, you restart with the animal cells first. Finish all of the organelles of the animal cells.
Oh,
So you have cell membrane. What else?
Sure, yun lang yung nasulat ko, sir.
But what else is found in an animal cell?
Mitochondria, sir.
Mitochondria. What else?
And the nucleus, sir, the cytoplasm, the ribosomes, the smooth ER, rough ER, and the Golgi apparatus.
Okay. What else?
And cytoskeleton.
What else?
Ribosome ba yun? No.
Another letter C.
Lysosomes, sir.
No.
Ba?
Lysosome is L. Another letter C.
Letter C. Cytoplasm.
Okay, the cytoplasm. Okay. So how about the plant cells?
Sure. In the vacuole of plant cell needs only to be stored with water. It doesn't need to be stored with food because the chloroplast here, sir, can create the food, sir.
What
The
else?
cell wall.
Sige, continue.
The cell wall is only found in plant cell because the plant cell has 2 layers.
Okay. How about the other organelles of the plant cells?
There are smooth ER, rough ER, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, nucleus, nuclear envelope, nucleolus, and nuclear pore.
Okay, that's it?
Yes, right. Cytoplasm po.
Okay, thank you very much, Yuri and Reynald. Reynald, is there anything else you want to add from Yuri's report, or he already reported everything?
Sure. I think there's actually a little bit more.
Okay.
the difference between the vacuoles in animals and the plant cell is that in animal cell it stores both, but vacuoles they create their in plant cell they create their own food, which they only store only water.
Okay, so yes, it was mentioned by Kuya Yuri. So thank you, Reynald and Yuri of Group 3. Now let's go to Group 1. Gian will be reporting.
Grabe na lang nalalaglag.
Okay. So can I start now?
Yes.
Animal cell, lysosomes, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, smooth ER, rough ER, ribosomes, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoskeleton, and cytoplasm, and nuclear envelope.
Okay.
And plant cell, chloroplast, cell wall, vacuole, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, smooth ER, rough ER, ribosomes, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoskeleton, and cytoplasm, and nuclear envelope.
Okay, thank you very much. So what is found only in a plant cells? What organelles are found only in plant cells? There are 3. Can you give me one, Reynald?
Sure. Cell wall.
Cell wall. What else?
Chlorophyll.
Chloroplast. And then the third one is?
Nuclear pore.
No. The water vacuole. It's also found in a plant cell, but it's different. So those are the differences between animal cells and plant
Iba
cells.
siya, Chair, yung vacuole, ilalagay din pala sa iba yun, Chair.
You can include it in both, but you have to differentiate, or you have to include how are they different in an animal cell and how are they different in a plant cell. Like Yuri and Reynald mentioned, both cells have vacuoles, but they are different in function because plant cells only stores water and they are bigger. And for animal cells, they store both food and water, and they are smaller in animal cells. Okay? And another difference between animal cells and plant cells, of course, is their shape. Your animal cells are irregular in shape, but your plant cells are very rigid. They have this rectangular shape because they have 2 layers, your cell wall and your cell membrane. Okay, so now let's answer our earlier essential question. How are animal cells different from plant cells? Can anybody answer our essential question? Yes, Reynald.
Sure, the plant cell has a double layer, but the animal cell doesn't.
Okay, so it's a single layered cell. What else? How are they different? Yes, Kadesh.
The animal cells and plant cells are different because... Ay, wait lang, Chair, nakalimutan ko yung sinulat ko.
Okay, animal cells and plant cells are different because?
Sure, the water vacuoles.
Wait lang, let's wait for Kadesh.
Oh.
Oh, Kadesh, do you remember now?
Yes, Chair.
Okay.
Animal cells and plant cells are different because they do different functions. They have different functions pala, Chair.
Okay, can you explain some more?
Yung ganun ba, Chair? Yung parang vacuoles, yung...
It's okay. You can say that they have different functions. And why do they have different functions? Because they have different organelles. Some organelles are found only in plant cells. That's the reason why it can only do this function. Okay, how about Jared? Can you share your answer to our essential question? How are animal cells different from plant cells? Is Jared already back?
Sure.
Yes.
I was just testing my mic. Oh, it's working now. Okay, thank you.
Yes, it's working. Your mic is working. Jared, are you here?
Sure, yes, I'm still here.
Okay, so what's your answer? In what way do you think are plant cells and animal cells different from each other?
That's very tricky. Uh,
You
so I'll
think,
try to think of an explanation.
okay. How about Kuya Gian? You raised your hand.
They have a different shape.
Yes.
The animal cell has an irregular shape, while the plant cell has a rectangular-ish shape.
Okay, thank you very much. So, Reynald already mentioned the layers. So, animal cells are single membraned, whereas plant cells are double membraned. Kuya Gian also mentioned the shape. So, irregular ang shape ng animal cells, whereas your plant cells, they are more of rigid and rectangular in shape. And then Kadesh said that there are different organelles. So, some organelles are found only in plant cells, which allows it to do functions or to do things that animal cells cannot do. Okay, so yun ang difference between animal cells and plant cells. So now let's compare our cell organelles to our community helpers. So if you're going to think of a cell as a community, then each cell has different organelles and each organelles have different functions. The same in our community, there are different people or there are different jobs, community helpers, and they have different function. But one thing that you have to remember when it comes to cells is that everyone is important. So all of the cell organelles are actually important. They have different functions and they are all important in the cell. Pag inalis mo yung isa, then the cell can no longer function properly. So even if you remove a lysosome or if you remove a cytoskeleton, it means that the cell will not be able to do everything that it needs to do because all of those organelles are important to the cell. So the same when it comes to our community, so everyone in our community is actually important. We all have our different functions. We all have different responsibilities in the community. And each of us are important. If we are not there and if we are not doing our responsibility to the community, then the community will suffer. So for example, one of our responsibilities is to throw our trash in proper places. If one of us will not do it properly, the community will suffer. So everyone will be suffering. So the idea of cell organelles is that everyone is important and all of our function or our responsibility to the community that we belong in is also very important. Okay? So Reynald is raising his hand. Kuya, medyo mabilis because we are ending in 1 minute. Yes, Reynald.
Sure, they have unique roles. If there's actually no if there's actually no organelle, at least one, it
Yes.
won't actually function regularly.
Yes.
But if it is on jobs, then it won't function regularly as well.
Yes, that is true. So everyone is important and everyone, all of your no matter how simple or how small your contribution is, it is important to the community. Okay, so that is